Hey, welcome back to the Too Fast channel. In today's tabletop review and unboxing video, we are going to be taking a look at another cell phone mount for the automobile. This is designed for MagSafe phones, and it's usable on Android and iPhones. And of course, if your phone doesn't have MagSafe built into it, they have adapter rings that you can put on your cell phone or your cell phone case, so it will work with this mount. Now, this particular mount is available. Well, the price may vary depending upon what kind of Amazon specials are running, but it's $25.99, so it's very reasonable for a air vent mount cell phone holder. And it's made by a company called Omoton, O-M-O-T-O-N. This is their OMAG Drive Safe Magnetic Air Vent Car Phone Holder. Now, I've used numerous different phone holders in my vehicles and numerous different types of air vent phone holders. Now, this one's a little bit different. That's the first one I've ever seen that actually it has magnets in it, and it has a suction cup. So it has a dual lock system. I guess that's what they call the OMAG. So it has a ring of 20 N52 magnets, and that's paired with a vacuum suction cup, which can hold up to 12 pounds of. It takes 12 pounds of force to pull something off the vacuum suction cup. According to Omoton, this is 3.6 times stronger than a regular magnetic phone mount. Now, this is not a wireless charging solution. This is just a phone holder. So let's get that out of the way. I'll talk about some more specs here. I have a few more things to talk about, but let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. I guess this has a model number of VM01, and there's a QR code there and some little bit of information on the back, but let's see what's inside the box. I have not mounted this to a car. I have taken it out, taken a look at it. So here's the main mount with the suction cup on it. You can see that it has these three buttons on the back. These three buttons are to release the suction cup. So when you go to remove the phone, you would press in on one of these buttons to get this to come off the back of your phone. So that's the first half of the mount. The second half is the actual piece that attaches to your vent. So this piece can be used or not used. It's probably a good idea to use it because it has these little wings on it that will help stabilize this against your vent. So the mechanism for installing this is basically you turn this to you turn it to loosen it. You can see that part's going in. And you turn it in that direction, and that cinches it up against your air vent. So pretty easy installation there. These two pieces go together like so. You would take this nut off. The nut would go over the end of the ball. The ball would go in, snap into the socket, and then you would tighten that back down. So when you're going to adjust this in your car, you get just the right angle and then tighten that down so it doesn't move around. So that's pretty much the process there to put it together and get it adjusted. It's nice design from what I can see so far. Let's take a look at what else comes in the package, the box. All right, let's get that out of the way. Omoton. They've got a website, Facebook, and an email address on this card. And we've got the user manual here. The user manual is pretty much going to cover everything that I'm talking about, how to install it, put it together, how to apply the magnetic rings on your case if you do not have a MagSafe case or a MagSafe phone, how to remove the item from your phone, press the buttons, and so on. This little Ziploc bag. Let's see what we got in here. All right, so we've got two magnetic rings. We've got a black one and a white one, depending upon what color you want to put on your phone or your case. You've got two sets of wipes. One is a cleaning and one is a dry. So you would use the wet one on your case to clean it, and then use the dry one, the one in the red package, to dry that area before you apply your ring. Now they also include these two little items here. These are listed in the manual as these are adhesive clear circular decals that fit this, and you are instructed to install this on your phone first and then install the ring over this. So that's what the instructions say. They also include this little template here with instructions on how to use this template to line up exactly where on the back of your phone you should be mounting the ring. Now, as you can see, I have a phone case on my iPhone 13 Pro, and I already have a ring on it, so I won't be installing the ring, but this little template is what you would use to make sure you get the ring just in the right spot. So the template's kind of cool, and it's got everything you need to make this happen. Now, let's go back to this mount. We're going to go ahead and test this on my phone with this existing magnetic ring that's already on here, and you can see it snaps right on there. And I've got to say that this is the strongest phone mount I've ever had. It literally is, it takes an awful lot of work to get this off. Now you'll notice if I try to pull this off, you can see, let's see, maybe you can see if I keep it in frame, you can see how this isn't really coming off because the suction cup is still holding it on. So you've got to press one of these buttons and pull on it to get it off. So if you don't press the button, the suction cup is going to keep the mount on the phone. So that's basically what you've got to do to remove this. So this is a pretty innovative design with the dual mounting capabilities of the suction cup and the magnets. Your phone definitely is not going to fall off this mount. It's going to be nice and stable. So let's see if I've got, let's see what I've got for other talking points. Now, the manufacturer's notes says that you can mount your phone simply onto this device, and with the press of the button, release the phone, and you can do it all with one hand. I'll talk about that a little later once we go to put this in the car. I personally suggest using two hands, and I will demonstrate that when I mount this in the car. These magnets attach to your phone so strongly that you can remove your phone with one hand, but you've got to really pull on it. And I don't think the added stress of yanking on this against your air vents is a good idea. At least that's not how I'm using it, and would be my suggestion, is to use two hands to remove the phone, and I'll demonstrate that. So the mounting hook is, I wanted to use the phrase that they refer to that as a metal hook, a silicone pad, and a rotating support ring. So this ring comes off. So let's get that all the way extended. You can see, if you take a look at this hook right here, it's a combination of metal and plastic for added rigidity. So I don't think this is going to snap off. Sorry if I get this out of frame here. I don't think there's going to be an issue with this breaking or anything like that. The manufacturer has put a lot of design thought into this and strengthened this hook with an internal metal structure to keep it nice and solid. I can't even bend this, so it's definitely not going to snap off. So that's one of the things that they mention in their sales information about this hook design right here. Now the manufacturer lists this as being compatible. It'll attach directly to all phones, iPhones 12 and above, or the MagSafe cases. All other iOS and Android models, you need to install the magnetic ring to the phone. And that's pretty much all of my talking points. They do mention that this is designed to fit most vertical and horizontal air vents. There could be fitment issues with round vents, and this does not really impede normal ventilation once installed. So that's all the talking notes I have. Right off the bat, everything on this appears to be well designed, and quality craftsmanship has been put into this. I think it's a good value at $25.99, definitely for a vent mount for your cell phone. So anyway, that's pretty much all my talking points while we're on the table here. What I'm going to do is transition over to my vehicle, and I'm going to mount this in my Volkswagen EOS on the driver's side air vent. I'll show you the mounting process, and we'll test fit the phone, and I'll show you how I will go about removing the phone once it's mounted. Okay, I've got my camera set up on a tripod outside of my vehicle, shining in on the driver's vent to try and give you a good view of how I'm going to install this. I've got the mount, and I've got this clamp area extended all the way out. I'm going to place this so these supporting wings can rest against a good solid surface. So obviously putting it right where this little adjustment knob is not a good idea. I think this is the best spot right there. This will give me the best support. I'm going to put this in with the little hook facing down, and I'll put it in right about there. I'm going to slide this in. Now you've also got horizontal vents, so this needs to slide in past the horizontal vents. And once you get it situated, the wings are sitting flush, and basically that's all you need to do. This other nut you can loosen up, so you can rotate the phone mount to get it angled just where you want it, and then tighten it back down, and there you go. So let's take our phone, and there we go. We're good to go. It's definitely not going to fall off. It's nice and solid, and the vent's still going to work. Now, when I mentioned about removing the phone from the vent, now this is my process. I'm going to hold the mount, press the button, and I'm going to remove the phone. I'm not just going to press the button and yank on the phone. The one thing I don't want to do is constantly pull on this vent. This is an older Volkswagen. These vent pieces, I don't know how well they're built. I don't think they were ever designed to hold a mount like this. So I'm not going to risk it by putting undue force on it. So again, mount the phone. With one hand, I reach behind the phone, press the button, and with the other hand, I remove the phone. And I hold this, so when I pull on the phone, I'm not pulling on the vents. So that would be my recommendation for anybody who buys one like this, is just don't put any unnecessary stress on your vents, and you should be good. But I definitely like the idea of these little support wings right here that tighten up against the upper horizontal slats. And then of course the hook is metal reinforced, so that's not going to snap off. You know, and with this mounted like this, I don't think that's going to be any problem on the vent. I mean, it's got good support. It's on there firmly, and as long as you don't yank on this, I don't think there'll be any issues whatsoever. So I feel real comfortable with this being mounted right there, and the process for attaching the phone and removing it. So all in all, great design. It's going to make for a very solid mount. Whether I keep this one in my car or I put it in my sister's car, I've got a couple of these types of mounts. I haven't decided. I probably will keep this one in my car because I like this one better than the other one I have, mainly because of the suction cup mount, and this one's got a smaller profile, so I kind of like that one better. So I'm probably going to keep this one in here. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this unboxing and tabletop review and installation of the Omoton cell phone mount with suction cup. I think it's a great buy. It is a new product out on the market, so I wasn't able to get any feedback from other people on what they thought of it because it is brand new. So I guess I'm one of the first people to buy one and give it a shot, and so far it's great. Anyway, check out the description for the link, and it'll take you to the Amazon store where you can buy this if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.